Today we're going to have a look at a great strumming pattern that I've lifted from Iggy Pop's The Passenger, and we might as well learn the song in the process. Stick around. Hello everyone, welcome back to Practice Like a Pro, providing you with simple, clear guitar tips to help you on your guitar playing journey. So, today, I want to have a look at a great strumming pattern. There was a song that I learned years and years ago, and this happens all the time to me. It'll come up on shuffle on Spotify or on YouTube, and I'll go, I ain't played that for a long time. Let's go back over that. This is one of these songs, and it's got a great strumming pattern that I think a lot of you will benefit from, so I want to talk about it today. It's got some really easy chords in it, and it's a great different strumming pattern that you might not have come across before, so I want to break it down. So the original song has A minor, F, C, G, and it's got an E in it as well, E major. Now, I'm going to use F major 7 today just to make it a bit more accessible to everybody. If you would prefer to do the bar chord instead, if you're able to substitute the F major 7 for just a regular F bar chord on the first fret. Let's have a listen to it first and then I'll break it down. It's a really iconic part and you can't sort of mistake what it is. Now there's a couple of bits that we need to talk about to sort of make it a bit more authentic. So let's start with the A minor chord. Everybody likes A minor. Now the strumming pattern for every chord is up, down, up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to miss the first beat and we're going to do a fake strum. If you've watched some of my other strumming lessons, you'll have heard me talk about a fake strum. So you're going to strum downwards, but you're not actually going to strike the strings. So you're going to do a fake strum down, followed by up, down. Just try that for me. Fake strum, up, down. Don't let the speed of this intimidate you. You can practice it at any kind of pace. Up, down. Now what's really important is it's literally up, down, up as you move through each chord. But there's a mute in between it. He stops the guitarist, whoever he is, on the record, stops the strings from ringing, because otherwise you get... I mean, it sounds cool, but it's not what's on the record. You want that choppiness to it, don't you? So we're going to go up, down, up. And then you can either use this part of your palm, if you follow your pinky on your picking hand, down to this sort of chubby bit here, or I like to use this part at the bottom of my thumb because it keeps my hand in the same position. I'll do that slowly for you. You'll see as well, you can get a bit of a percussive thing out of it if you hit the strings a little bit harder with that sort of bit of flesh at the bottom of your thumb. Now, sometimes you'll hit the top of your guitar with your pick, and don't worry about that too much. That's what these are for on acoustic and electric guitars. It's to stop it getting all scratched up. So we've got that on A minor so far. You've got up, down, up, and then you've got your little rest. Again, I'm going to F major 7 today to make it a little bit more accessible. If you want to use the regular F bar chord, that's completely cool. And I'm just going to do the same thing on F major 7. So I've got A minor so far, going to F major 7. The next chord, we're going to change to C, and we're going to do exactly the same thing. It's a common theme here. A minor, F major 7, C, and then we're going to finish off that top line with a G. Let's glue all that together. A minor, F, C, G. And then to finish the phrase off, the first 3 chords of the next line are exactly the same. A minor, F major 7, C. Instead of going to G, we're going to go to E major, which sort of brings it all round full circle and gets it ready to start again. So the second line is A minor, F major, C major, E major. If I glue all 8 bars together, this is what we get. Once you you get your strumming palm on autopilot, it becomes really enjoyable. Now, some of the notes are pushed and the playing with the timing ever so slightly. You'll feel it. As musicians, we talk about feeling certain tempos and rhythms. Occasionally we'll talk about certain rhythms being pushed and things like that. Just put the record on and have a go at it. Try not to think about it too much. Just listen to what's going on and try and copy what's on the record. I think that's something that a lot of guitarists get too wrapped up in, and for the right reasons. But listen to the record and just try and copy what they're doing and not get too wrapped up in it. All you need to know is it's up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, etc. Not a lot in this. If you found it fairly easy with that F major 7, if you want to make it a little bit harder, you can swap it for the bar chord. That'd make it a little bit more challenging for you. But this is more a little bit of something that I give to my students as a little bit of fun, just to kind of blow off a little bit of steam when we're working on other more challenging things. Sometimes having a sort of 3 or 4 chord song that you can just kind of bash out's a real winner, and sort of makes everybody, it reminds everybody that they can play. It's just I'm constantly challenging them, and that's what they come for me. That's why they come and see me. Are you using the F major 7 or the bar chord for this? Let me know in the comments. If you like what we do here at Practice Like a Pro, please do consider subscribing. We upload 3 lessons a week, and if you want to learn something else, we've got some other videos for you to check out. Thank you very much for watching, and until I see you next time, keep practicing like a pro. Cheers.